How to hide following list on TikTok. That means no one can see the people you follow. So without any further ado, let's get started. To do this, first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok app and then go to your TikTok profile. And once you are on your TikTok profile, now at the upper right side, you'll get three lines. So tap on this, and then here you'll get settings and privacy. Tap on that. And now here you'll get privacy. Tap on privacy. And once you are on privacy section, now scroll down and here you will get following list. Tap on that, and then here you can see that following list. Who can see your following list? By default it will be everyone. Now select only you, and it says if you select only you, others user will only see mutual friends. So select only you, and from now on no one will be able to see your following list except the mutual friends. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.